Fuck school.
I hate school. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I just want to make YouTube videos. That's all I ever want to do.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all, or even high school.
Yo, take a look at this shit. This is a scenario right now, bro. Our parents, you know what I'm saying, they don't got that shit going on, you feel me? And they want us to go to school, right? You feel me? Below, if you think going to school or not going to school is actually gonna, like, level you up. You're only seeing the Lamborghini, the nice house, the travel, the food, the money. You ain't seeing what these niggas they be doing behind the scenes, bruh. Hey man, YouTube, what's going on, bruh? You feel me? What it do, bruh? Hey man, yo, this video is literally dedicated to those who are like at the top, bro. Those who like, if you have over like 100K, a million right now, I don't think you should be watching this shit, bro. You feel me? I don't think you should be watching this video right now. But if you have like below 10K, like grand, and you're trying to like level up, trying to make it, you know what I'm saying, with like whatever you're doing, bro, you have to like, comment, and subscribe right now, bro. You feel me? I'm waiting, bro. Hit that sub button and let's get into this video, bro. Hey man, basically based off the title and the thumbnail, I know most of y'all click on this shit because like I was like at my grandma's crib like I think last week, and there was kind of like something that happened that actually make me click like I had to make a video like this, is what I'm saying, because I had like my aunt, and literally she's graduated from like college and shit like that, and she don't got no job, and right now she's working on 9 to 5. She don't want to like go to, she have a kid, bro. You feel me? Working on 9 to 5, have a kid, and you ain't happy with the job you have, you know that shit is stressful, bro. Like for real, that shit is so fucking stressful. And I told that, bro, yo, take a look at this shit. This is a scenario right now, bro. Our parents, you know what I'm saying, they don't got that shit going on, you feel me? And they want us to go to school, right? You feel me? And just because school is the way they were taught in their time, they thinking like right now you have to go to school in order to make it in life, bro. But me personally, I don't you feel me? I don't know if you'll fuck with that. You can comment down below if you think going to school or not going to school is actually gonna like level you up. This is a clip right here from like Mr. Beast and some other celebrities. I'm gonna play this shit. Yo, watch this shit.
Fuck school.
I hate school. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I just want to make YouTube videos. That's all I ever want to do.
There's no need even to have a college degree at all, or even high school.
So that's just it about school. But this video is actually like you know, our parents when they were like our age, 16, 17, I know they would be like, yo, I want to buy a nice house, I want to drive a nice whip, I want to like travel around the world. But if you take a look at this shit right now, bro, there's none of that shit happening, bro. So I thought to myself like, and I'm saying this shit right now, but I don't know if maybe they didn't put in the work that actually didn't make them like where they were, like what they thought in their head, they couldn't like bring that shit to life, is what I'm saying. Because right now I know me, myself, and basically most of you who gonna be watching this video are thinking the same thing too. Like in the next 5-10 years, I'm gonna be this, I'm gonna be that, I'm gonna be driving this, I'm gonna be living in this country, I'm gonna be flying, you know what I'm saying, all that shit. But bro, it can be in a twinkle of an eye, bro. In the next 5 years, bro, it's still gonna be trash, bro, for real, bro. I don't really know if it's like you not putting in the work, or you actually putting in the work and failing and failing and failing, and like you still trying to like, okay, I still have that faith like it's gonna work out, you feel what I'm saying? Like you still like trying, believe me, like it's gonna work out. But it took a lot of years, bro, you feel what I'm saying? If you look at big ass YouTubers right now, big ass celebrities, I'm gonna make a video soon, so you'll stay tuned, bro. These people, they be in the work for years, bro. Like you're not gonna see a multi-millionaire or like 7-8 figure earner who's not be doing his shit for like multiple 6, 7, 8, 10 years, bro. You can be doing this shit in like 2 years, in 1 year and expect to be like at the top, bro. It's not gonna happen, bro. Like, for real. I'm just like, because I'm this video is especially for myself. I don't know if you're like learning anything from this video, you feel what I'm saying, but like, bro, it's crazy how like making money is hard, and like being broke is also hard, bro. Like, to anybody who's out there, bro, who is rich, wealthy, whatever you have that shit going on for yourself, bro, shout out to you, bro, because it is crazy, bro. Those guys, they work their ass off, bro. Like, I know how those hard work pays off. It literally do, but bro, the kind of hard work you have to like work in order for you to get to the level you wanna be, bro, it's crazy. Shout out to every millionaire, like everybody out there who has like 100 million, bro. Shout out to you, bro. It wasn't easy, bro. I'm trying to make it, bro. I'm like 20 right now, trying to make it, and like, bro, going through this phase of life, through this like road, lonely, scared. You can see like no light at the end of the tunnel, but you still keep believing that one day it's gonna work, bro. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. Being rich is hard. Being broke is hard. I know sometimes my siblings, they will be like, yo, bro, you getting old, you should be like, you know what I'm saying? I'll be telling those like, bro, it ain't easy, bro. Ask anybody who has made it, who is rich, who is wealthy, whatever, bro. Ask them, bro. It wasn't easy. Basically, you will be seeing like, you're only seeing right now, bro, what these guys was doing like 5-6 years ago when they were struggling. They were going through failures, setback, downtime, like depression. You did not see none of that shit, bro. You're only seeing the Lamborghini, the nice house, the travel, the food, the money. You ain't seeing what these niggas they be doing behind the scenes, bro. You ain't seen none of that shit, bro. And it's crazy how people be thinking like, yo, this nigga is, this person is right here, he making a lot of money. I want to make that same kind of money the way he made that kind of money tomorrow, bro. Nigga, it's not gonna happen, bro. That's why, like, me doing YouTube, I ain't scared. I know I've gone through like multiple failures, multiple failed accounts, multiple denied monetization on YouTube, but bro, I ain't giving up, bro, for real. I'm just like, let me say 2 years in this shit, and I'm ready for whatever, bro. You feel me? Like, I'm ready for whatever comes, we're facing that shit, bro. Whatever comes, nigga, we're facing all of that shit, setback, whatever, bro. I'm ready, like, I'm ready, and that's the only way you can like level up type shit. You feel me? That's the only way you can like go to the next level, bro. This couple months on my YouTube career, bro, it's been crazy, bro. Like, the way I've been doing YouTube content, like 2025, I've never done that shit my whole career of doing like YouTube, for real, bro. I've never done that shit my whole career of doing YouTube, like, bro, if you out there, a teenager, 20-year-olds, 30-year-olds, and you trying to make it, bro, you have to know, like, bro, it ain't easy, bro. You're not gonna scam in this, whether you're doing trading, whether you're doing crypto, whether you're doing marketing, whether you got a brand, whether you're doing music, whether you're doing YouTube, whatever you're doing, bro, it's not gonna be easy, bro. I know, like, most of you are gonna be like, yo, where you at? You're not supposed to be like saying this shit, but I know, bro. Like I said earlier, this video is basically for myself, bro. Like, I'm just letting you all know, like, this shit, it ain't gonna be easy, bro. If we in this shit, for those of all who trying to make it, I'm talking about, if you already make it, you don't need to watch this video, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because you up there already, bro. You up there, you already past the level. You feel me? You break that, like, that barrier. You know what I'm saying? Because, bro, going through like from mediocre to like financial freedom is hell of a road, bro. There's gonna be storm and all that shit. You feel what I'm saying? Shout out to everyone who's made it. I'm not gonna name drop. You all know your like favorite celebrities or like YouTubers who like up there and you trying to be like them. So like you can learn some lessons from them, bro. You feel me? You can learn some lessons from those guys, bro. You feel what I'm saying? So like, man, it is what it is, bro. I'm just like clipping this shit. You know what I'm saying? Clipping this shit. I hope like this video get like maybe 10 likes in this shit. You know what I'm saying? My videos, bro, they not be getting likes, and I don't know why, bro. And that's not gonna stop me from creating content. I don't care if I don't have no views, no likes, no comment, bro. I'ma keep this shit pushing, because the day you're gonna blow up, you don't know, bro. And if you fucking stop right now, bro, the day you might blow up might be tomorrow. You feel me? You're not gonna know. You're never gonna know, bro. So you just have to keep doing it, showing up consistent every single time, every single day, and like keep praying, having that faith, and one day it's gonna happen. I hope to see you all at the top, and I hope to see myself at the top in the upcoming years from now, bro. Love y'all. Stay safe. Keep doing what you're doing. Keep grinding. Keep praying. And bro, we're gonna go up. You feel me? I'm up. Peace.
She know I'm the method, and fucking with me is a blessing. Aside from my BM, I don't give a fuck about exes. It's me and PBM, we taking your hoes, we reckless. Hit Courtney and PM, and AM, I'm fucking Alexis.